Hi all, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. In this video, I will show you how we can delegate a user with custom permission on OU. He can add the objects, make changes. Open Active Directory users and groups. Expand the OU and got to users OU to create the new user. Right-click and select New. Then select User. Enter first name and last name, and user logon name. I am creating here the user called domain join. You can follow the video. I will keep the password never expire. User account is created. Now we need to select the OU which we need to delegate the user with permissions for that. Right-click on Devices OU. Click on Delegate Control and click Next. Then on Users and Groups click on Add. Then search for the user which we created, domain join. On the Delegate Control age select only the following objects in the folder. Selecting here Computer Objects. And click Next. On the Permissions page, select the permissions you need to assign the user to have for the OU. I am selecting the permissions Read and Write. Revalidate all the permissions you need to assign the user. Then click on Next. And finish. We can see the permissions on OU by right-clicking and go to Properties. On Security tab, click on Advanced. Here we can see all the uses who has what access for the OU. This way we can manage the user with only few permissions on OU. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and follow for more videos and updates.